Building a website sounds simple, right? You just drag and drop some boxes, you pick a template, you're good to go. But if you're running a cleaning company, your website isn't just a pretty brochure. It is the engine that books jobs and grows your business. Which platform is actually best for cleaning companies? Wix, Squarespace, or WordPress? Now, at 5 Door Media, we use Squarespace for our clients' websites. We love it, but this isn't a sales pitch, guys. We get asked this question all the time, and the truth is, the right platform depends on your business and its goals. So let's break it down. So Wix is super beginner friendly. It's drag and drop everything, tons of templates, and you can get a decent site up really quickly. It's great if you're just starting a residential cleaning company and you need something fast. The trade-off, all those options can be super overwhelming, and Wix doesn't always scale once you grow into bigger contracts. Now, Squarespace is the clean, professional option. Sites look sharp, they're mobile friendly, and they integrate with tools and scheduling apps and payments. It's perfect for clients who book from their phone as well. It's not as customizable as WordPress, but for most cleaning companies, simplicity wins. That's why we use it. WordPress can do almost anything. SEO, tools, client portals, staff scheduling, payments, blogs, like you name it. It's perfect if you're planning to scale and you've got multiple locations or you need something super custom, but it's also the most technical. You'll probably need to maintain it and you may need a pro to help manage it. So really, which is best? Wix is going to be for beginners who need something fast. Squarespace is for pros who want a polished site with very little stress. And then WordPress is for those who really want maximum customization and growth potential. But at the end of the day, the best website builder is the one that gets you clients and that helps run your cleaning business without the headaches. If you want help figuring out what's right for your cleaning company, that's what we do every day at 5 Door Media. Start by checking out our guide or reach out for a free consult.